Hello, welcome to generics. Generics are another awesome, powerful thing that is a part of most modern languages. Generics were not originally a part of Java. When Java first came out, it had no generics. All you had to do, basically all your generic work yourself, which is everything was treated as an object, the base object class, and then you had to cast the objects to their correct type. As you can imagine, that was very problematic and error prone because it was really easy to perhaps cast the object incorrectly and then get a crash. So in Java 1.5, they added generics and allows you to create data structures and algorithms that will operate on any type. It's incredibly powerful, especially when you start learning C, the C programming language that doesn't have generics. C++ has templates and thus generics. C does not. For example, in C, if you want to make a container, a linked list, the only way to really do generics is to cast it to a void star pointer. But still, you have to do the casting. It relies on the programmer to remember what's in there. And I think that's the key. Generics can really be done anywhere. The key feature of generics in Java and C# and C++ is the compiler can check your code. So that's what generics give you. They give you compiler support. The last thing to keep in mind with Java is Java generics are a little bit special. Since they were added late to the language in 1.5, and they were kind of bolted on after the fact, they aren't what some computer scientists would call as true generics, like what C# has. Generics in Java are implemented strictly in the compiler, meaning they don't exist in the JVM. Generics use what's called type erasure. So once you've compiled the code, the generic information is actually gone because all the generics are is a construct in the compiler. The compiler checks to make sure your code's correct, and then it basically throws that information away. And really that's just a side effect of generics being added later to the language, and then Sun Microsystems, which was the original author of Java before it was bought by Oracle, had a backwards compatibility guarantee. And so they kind of had to do a little bit of finagling to get generics added after the fact. Either way, generics are an incredibly powerful concept, and I hope you learn a lot in this module. Thanks.